Hey friends, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now I have got a short and quick Pilates class in a chair. This is fabulous for any of my friends out there that just can't get up and down off the floor as easily as maybe, some other days. Or possibly we're at work and we just want a quick little abdominal engagement to help keep that posture up and bring some nice stretching into the middle of our workday. Wherever you are though, all you need is a chair, no mat whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get started. So come to a seat in your chair, scooch to the very front edge, and I just want you to make sure that your ankles are right underneath your knees. So we're not kind of like pulling our feet in, nor do we have them too far away. We've got that nice 90-degree angle here. And throughout class, I want you to imagine that I just placed a little squishy ball between your legs and I ask you to give that ball a little squish. We want to activate the middle of our inner thighs. Take your hands to the tops of your thighs, press down into them, and think of lifting out of your waist. It's almost like we're trying to create a little more space between each and every vertebra. At the same time, I want you to broaden across your chest. We're opening so we have that nice, long, lovely line there, and we're letting our neck be soft and relaxed. Put a smile on your face. Know you're doing good things for your body. Take a big, deep inhale. Now, as you exhale, I want you to engage your abdominal muscles. We never suck in during a Pilates class, but to me, it's like there's a small belt around the waist that lightly gets a notch tighter every time you exhale. So just keep pulling those abdominal muscles towards the middle of your body. From here, I simply want you to roll your shoulders back and around a couple of times, waking up your upper body just a little bit more. Now, even though we're rolling our shoulders, I want you to keep all of that engagement we just created. We're still pressing our feet into the floor. We're still pressing our hands into our thighs, lifting out of our waist and pulling our navel in. Reverse those circles in your body. Take it at your own pace, in your own time. No hurry, no rush whatsoever. And then slow that down and relax. Belly button pulls up and in. Release the fingertips and take your hands out in front of you. Now I want you to imagine you're now holding something. It's heavy. Give it a little squeeze. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, I want you to tip your pelvis back. Think of rocking off your sitting bones and then rocking back onto them. So I'm pulling my belly button in deeper, reaching back, and then I restack and come on up. 3 times, little tip back, and return. 2 more, exhale, little tip back. Come on up. Last one, little tip back and hold. Now again, I want you to cinch that waist, press down through both of your feet. Take a big, deep, full inhale. Exhale, reach your fingertips further and further away. Flip your palms down towards the ground. Almost imagine there's a table right here. Press down onto that table, and then from here I want us to circle our hands around. So take them in a circle for 5 and 4. Tone the belly the whole time. 3 more. And 2. Last one. Pause. Reverse those circles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, go the other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Tone that belly a little bit more. Cinch the waist. Take a big inhale and roll yourself all the way up. Relax your hands on your thighs again. Sit up tall, sit up straight. Wiggle anything you need to. Remember, you can always take a break if you need. You don't have to do every single thing that I'm doing. It's about feeling strong in your body. One more time. Hold on to something heavy, give it a good squeeze so we can turn on those arms. Take a big inhale, tip the pelvis back, rock into that C curve, just like we've already been before. Now I want you to press deeper into your left foot. Think about driving that foot through the ground. Take a big inhale, and as you exhale, pick up your right leg. Now, do you see I picked up my whole thigh? I didn't just can my leg out. It's like a little string. Grabbed my knee and lifted it up. Drop the foot down. Exhale, immediately lift that same leg up. Inhale, drop it down. Exhale, tone the tummy, lift the foot up. And if your leg doesn't come up as high as mine does, that's okay. Maybe we just barely lift it up. It's a lot of work to carry that leg away from the ground. 2 more down. Exhale, lift. Last one down. Exhale, lift. Set that foot on the floor. Take a great big breath. Exhale, lift the other leg up. Drop it right back down. And now we're just going to pick up that leg a couple of times as we did on the other side. If this feels like it is too much, just come on up to a seat, reset, and join in when you're ready. It's not about doing every little thing that I'm doing. It's finding strength in your body. One more time, up and down. Exhale, lift the leg. Drop it down, take a big breath, and roll yourself up to a seat. Let those hands be heavy on your thighs again. Press down, grow out of your sitting bones, broaden across your chest. Nod the head a little bit. Take a big inhale, swim your hands way up high. Think of someone holding your wrist and pulling them up towards the sky. Take a big breath. Drop your right hand down. Grow longer out the left side, and then stretch over to the right. Flip your palm so it's facing away from your body, and then I want you to cactus your arms. So I'm just making a little cactus shape, a little bend in my elbow. Straighten the arm, reach it out and away. Again, bend the elbow. Straighten, reach it out and away. One more time, bend the elbow. Last time, straighten it and pull yourself all the way up. Same thing other side. Left hand lowers down. Right hand grows up and we stretch away from our right side. Now it might feel nice just to be right here on this side. Maybe we don't want to move at all. But again, you could flip the hand and then bend and straighten the elbow. Just finding some mobility through that shoulder, through that elbow. It can be nice to give ourselves just a little time to kind of stretch there. Last one, reach the hand nice and long. Pull yourself all the way up. Reach those fingertips up to the sky. Clasp the hands, open your elbows wide. Ever so lightly tuck the chin to the chest. Take a big inhale. Now again, I want you to tip your pelvis back and rock into that C curve. Now do you see I still have space between chin and chest? I'm not going to dip my chin all the way down. I'm just lightly nodding in. Take a big inhale. Use your belly button to pull yourself all the way up. Again, tip the pelvis back one vertebra at a time, rounds back, lightly curl in. You're toning those abdominal muscles. You're scooping from the belly button. You're cinching the waist. Take a big inhale. Exhale, tone as you roll yourself up. One more time, tip the pelvis back, rock, roll down, hold. Take a big breath and come on all the way back up. Beautiful job. Unravel those hands. Sit tall, sit straight. One more time, take your hands out in front of you, tip your pelvis back, and find that C curve. Now from here, I want you to open your hands out to a T. Exhale, tone the belly, pull the fingertips back towards one another. Inhale, open out. Exhale, pull them back in. Every time you exhale, can you cinch the waist a little bit more? Can we deepen those big, deep abdominal muscles? Beautiful job. 2 more, open. Exhale, close. Last one, open. Exhale, close. Hold right there. Lift your fingertips up. Take a big breath and then grow up and over and just lightly round forward. Now, this is not about shoving my head down. I'm just kind of curling through my body to wake it up a little bit more. Maybe nod the head a little. Yes and no. Pull yourself up. Again, grab those hands out in front of you. It's like you're holding onto something great, big and heavy. Take a big inhale. Tip yourself all the way back into that C curve. Now from here, one more time, I want you to take a big breath and lift your right leg up. Now this time, can you flex your foot? We're going to straighten our leg, sending it away from us. Exhale, pull it right back in. Inhale, send the foot away from you. Exhale, pull it right back in. 2 more times, reach it out. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull it in. Last one, reach it out. Exhale, pull it in. Take a big breath. Set that foot on the floor. Take another inhale. Lift the other leg up. Flex, flex, flex that foot. And then same thing, reach the heel away. Tone the belly as you pull it in. Now, not only am I engaging my abdominal muscles more each time I bend my knee, I'm almost thinking of squeezing whatever that heavy object I'm holding between my hands might be. I'm giving it a good squeeze so I can keep activating my arms the whole time here. Last one, reach it out. Exhale, pull it in. Take a big inhale. Set that foot on the floor. Again, lift your hands up and then lift up and out of the waist. Curl forward. Slowly bring yourself all the way up. Press into your thighs. Grow out of the waist. Belly button up and in. And then roll the shoulders back again, just a little bit. And roll them forward. Take your hands high overhead, clasp them together, open your elbows wide. Think about pressing your elbows towards the space behind you. If they curl in a little bit, it's okay. Take a big inhale. Lightly nod your chin to your chest. And then slowly round into a small forward fold. Now, it might be enough to stay right here, and that would be fabulous. If you want to keep going a little deeper to open up through the back of the body even more, go ahead. And then slowly roll yourself all the way up to a seat. Again, a little dip of the chin to the chest. Pull that navel in. Curl forward. Maybe hold. Maybe go a little further down. And then slowly bring yourself all the way back up. One more time. Chin to chest. Belly button in. Round. Curl forward. And bring yourself all the way up. Take a great big breath. Roll the shoulders back, puff the heart and chest up. Take a little stretch up to the sky. Put a smile on your face. Know you're doing such good things for your body. Take a big inhale. Think of cinching the waist, pull that belly button in, bring your gaze back to center. One more time, roll the shoulders, puff the heart and chest. It's like a little string is pulling at your sternum, lifting it up to the sky. Take a big inhale. Exhale, come on back to center. Relax the hands from your head, sit tall and straight. As always, give yourself a pat on the back, thanking yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed our lovely little chair Pilates, and I hope to see you again soon.